In this video, I'm going to explain you how to recover deleted photos and videos from Android phone. So basically, what you're gonna have to do, so if you want to do the free way, you're gonna have to open up your browser on your mobile device. Now I'm using my computer, but it works on Android devices. Now simply go, so you're gonna have to type in the search bar takeout.google.com, and then you're gonna get redirected to this page. Now make sure to log in into your Google account. Usually when you make photos on your Android phone, it's gonna automatically save them on Google Photos or Google Drive. So basically from here, you're gonna have to scroll down and select Drive and Google Photos. And then after that, simply export them, and then you'll receive an email with a link with all the photos and videos. Now, if you want, and if you have a computer, you can also try this application, but it's not completely free. So if you have money to spend, you could try out and simply use TenorShare on your computer. Then you're gonna have to plug in your Android phone and you're gonna be able to do the same process. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.